So all our fans are sending us messages, right? And commenting in the videos.
Okay.
Some people comment that their moms, their parents watch us too. Hi to all the mommies!
Hi guys.
Hi
moms
guys.
and
Hi
dads
moms.
in the world. What was?
Why do you have a
screenshot
red dot on your nose?
about? Can you answer my damn questions?
What? Look at all these requests.
So when you send me the screenshot that you went through all the requests and we have no one else to do.
What screenshot?
I'll destroy the phone on your head now. You're just wasting my time and my patience.
Wow! This is your YouTube too. Your name is on the YouTube channel now, Fabio.
What is this shit?
You stupid ass. I circled, meaning I don't have any messages request anymore because I went through all of them.
So you saying no more requests? Do I know this is Instagram? Do I fucking know this is Instagram?
So you thought no.
Baba.
So you thought that there's no more requests for videos?
I thought
You stupid ass.
you're the one that doesn't speak English after 10 years that you've been here, so I don't know. Let's talk about it.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Enough.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be rating Ylona Garcia's Instagram because so many requested it.
And Yani doesn't give a crap about who I suggest.
Today's video, that's what we're gonna be doing, and thank you guys so much for all the support. Road to 100,000 subscribers!
We're almost there.
Oh my
Almost
god!
there.
And then everybody unsubscribed.
We're not gonna sleep for a whole week because we
No.
need to wait for that moment.
Guys, we're gonna do a countdown video. We're gonna do a reaction video. It's gonna be exciting, genuine, and all that.
Without further ado, let's head on to my Instagram right now.
You have 7,000. I just hit 6,000.
I just hit 7,000, so
Okay, so there it is, Fabio's Instagram.
beautiful.
There it is.
It's beautiful. I'm speechless. That's why I'm not saying anything. Because my Instagram doesn't need words. It speaks by itself. Look at the picture there.
And who took those photos?
Well, this you did not take that picture. No, that's a lie.
Anyway,
The ones that you took, they're tagged. So there we go. There you have it. Did you tag me?
let's get right to the video. So we're reacting to
know
Ylona
you don't tag me.
Garcia's
They know.
Instagram.
They know. They know.
Oh, she
I
has
don't
a
need
check
to-
mark.
I don't need
she
to
looks
defend
very
myself
cute.
because you guys
She
defend me.
has a ponytail. One has a check mark, one doesn't. So this is like a fraud, and this one is the real one because it
Okay.
has a check mark.
Let's go on the
obviously.
real one.
So let's go to the real one. Obviously, 2.4.
Million.
Oh my god, this thumbnail. She looks like, what's her name? Mama Entrata. And Bretman Rock follows her.
Who is
Liza
she?
Sobirano follow. You don't know Bretman Rock?
No.
Uh-huh.
No, I don't have to cough.
This is not coughing. Uh-huh.
Who is that?
Bretman Rock. Hey, bitch. The very young Filipino guy living in Hawaii. Tan, makeup. Fabio does YouTube, but he doesn't know YouTube. So, looking at these photos, looks like she is 12 years old.
Oh my god,
She is
does
so
look
young.
Yeah, and she looks like she likes crossing roads apparently.
She
That's
does.
the latest post. So let's watch it.
At least she's not jaywalking because she's in the walkway.
That's true.
Or
That's true.
crosswalk.
Let's see that one.
Walkway. She has no bio, by the way. It just
No.
says Ylona.
And YouTube channel.
Is that how you say it? Oh, Ylona.
Yeah, Lona.
Ylona. Oh, correct us downstairs. Correct us downstairs.
Downstairs. Yeah, wait for us downstairs.
Correct us in the comment down below if it is Ylona or Ylona. But for now, we're gonna go for Ylona because that's what the
I go
YouTube
for
name says.
Ylona.
So first photo.
Oh, she's very happy.
She looks tall. She looks
Wow.
actually tall. This reminds me of Erich Gonzalez. I don't know why, but she looks tall. and
She's
she looks
wearing a
pretty.
jacket. It looks like very warm weather though. Why is she wearing a jacket?
Paid partnership with Samsung PH. Bitch, where's the Samsung?
Oh.
Where's the Samsung though? I'm
It's
looking.
in the pocket. I can see it's in the pocket.
I'm looking on the road. Maybe she dropped it on the ground. But where's the Samsung? But anyway, she looks cute and happy. She's. You know what this reminds me of? She's crossing the road and there's a car waiting for her to cross and she's like, I'm gonna take my time.
No, but do you see here the person that took the picture? She was probably like, oh, I love this crossroad. We're gonna cross here and you're gonna take a
Take a
picture.
picture.
Oh. With daisies.
She looks so sweet.
Nice glasses.
5 more days.
To what?
To what exactly?
Wow, in the lights. I can see. So you know what they use here? The thing for the pasta. When they put a light and then that's it. Holes.
What pasta?
The thing to drain the pasta.
Strainer?
Yeah.
Strainer? Drainer?
Yeah. Strainer.
Oh, she looks like Ariana Grande a little bit here.
She looks like everyone. Like you keep saying, oh, she looked like a Victoria's Secret model. Next one for sure. We know.
No, who agrees? She looks like.
Come on. She
No,
doesn't
come
look
on.
like Ariana Grande.
Comment down below. She does look like Ariana Grande here. Fabio, you don't know nobody, so don't even. Let's watch a video. I bet you this is a boomerang.
It's a boomerang. Worse than a boomerang. No, at least give us a boomerang. No, changing filters. She's like, I'm indecisive. Black or white or this?
Oh, she's emo here.
Badass.
She's going through some rough times.
She's
here.
like, I don't want them to see my face. I'm gonna go see a style.
She's going through some rough times here. She's feeling some type of way.
Oh,
that's so
cute,
nice.
so dreamy. She's dreaming for the burger to come. She's like, my order.
Dreaming of a white Christmas. Oh, she was like, let me look away for this first shot, and the next shot, take it. Estee Lauder.
Estee Lauder. Oh,
it's a makeup brand.
She does.
Is she from Sydney, Australia?
She loves countdowns. It was like 5 days, and now it's 2 weeks.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. You're right.
Yeah. In the snow with a tent.
Just clear it.
Hey, it's gonna be like that.
Ariana Grande. Look at the cat eye. Look at the ponytail. She looks
Where's
like
the
Ariana
ponytail?
Grande.
There's not even hair there.
Here, like on the side. Cute eyes though.
It's
very
beautiful.
cute eyes.
Like very nice skin.
But it also does remind me of my Intrato.
Yeah, sure. That nose is like.
She looks like everybody.
It's so skinty. It's like.
And it's not even contour. I don't think it's contour. Oh, Tom's. And what's this brand? Tom's, right? Yeah, Tom's.
Dead flowers.
Oh, like a wildflower, you must allow yourself to grow in all the places people thought you never would. Wow.
At Samsung Mobile.
But where's the Samsung phone?
It's in the flowers.
I can't see the Samsung phone.
You can. End of story. They're missing like, oh, there's a dot there.
Oh, Fabio, wow. English
You
major.
End of
English. Wow. Miss Italy. English.
Yeah, what's yours?
But why is Miss Italy so ugly this year though? You guys are never placing top 15, top 10. Watch Miss Italy will win the crown this year. I'm just kidding. Don't get offended.
I'm not
Italian
offended.
people are pretty. I thought this was Drake. I thought this was Drake. I don't know why I'm just seeing different people in these photos. Oh, Bench.
Oh, that's a cute picture.
Imagine if Bench would contact all YouTubers for a photo shoot.
Oh my god.
Don't get excited.
In the pose I will be like this.
Don't get excited. What if we don't get invited? What if we don't get invited?
No. I wanna get invited.
There's a lot of many other successful YouTubers out there. Aww.
Boomerang. Oh, it's a slow-mo.
It's a slow-mo boomerang.
Slow boomerang.
What does she do? Why does she have a lot of... There we go, Samsung. We see the Samsung.
Finally. Oh, that's a nice Samsung.
I'm so excited to work with Samsung for their newest triple cam. Damn. Who's that
looking.
girl?
They're looking.
Dang, their eyeliner though. Oh, I love this
Picture.
photo. I love this photo. This is so cute.
Surround yourself with the things you love. Samsung.
It's not Samsung.
Surrounded by Samsung. Yours will be with fried chicken. You surround yourself
Oh my
with fried
god,
chicken.
that would be a dream come true.
I know.
Oh my god, Chicken Joy Jollibee. Oh my gosh. She's a different person. Is this her?
Yeah, just stick her eyebrows.
I don't follow the rules. I make them. And when necessary, I break them. Okay, girl. Do you?
Good. Oh, she's funny.
I actually love her smile. She actually has the most genuine smile. Is that her too? I feel like we're rating like an 8-year-old Instagram
She's
account.
like, caption this. Let's caption it.
Okay. Like her, she can't think of a caption. And you know, caption is the hardest when you're posting an Instagram post.
She likes that pose like all covered up and bunched up.
No. She likes to be emo sometimes. She likes to be cute.
Yeah, but look at these shoes.
They're so in right now.
Yeah, but look at the ankle. How tiny it is. How can she walk?
It looks like the shoes will
It's
just
like
break the
she was
ankle.
wearing bricks. She's ready to build a house.
Oh, this is we rated her. What's her name? Andrea Brillantes.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Come through, extensions.
Is she sponsored by... Oh, Sunsilk. Sunsilk PH. Oh, I like Sunsilk.
Oh, you have Sunsilk and... But look at the face.
Wow. Excuse?
Dang.
Toms. Yeah, but none of the people in the picture were wearing Toms. They're wearing rubber shoes.
All of the ads sometimes are misleading, eh? It's like, Samsung, PH. Where's the Samsung? Those boots remind me of like majorettes. Or like, you know, the bands. The girls in the bands.
Oh, majorette.
See, Ariana Grande.
Oh, here I agree with you.
Right now, I'm in a state of
Someone's dream came true.
Who's that?
Oh, cute guy.
Very cute, actually, you're right.
Nix.
Estee Lauder, she loves Estee. Oh my god, she got paid partnership by Estee Lauder.
Well, soon.
Surprise!
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. This is a cute modelly shot.
It's a cute outfit too. It's like a kind of like a cape.
Casual. Yeah. Cute. And I love the casual hair too. She's like, she just rolled out of bed.
She's like,
Remember before you thought the bun were this?
yeah.
But the buns could be asses. Ass.
No, they're these things, the pigtails.
Oh, very cute.
Oh, okay.
She's modelly. She has modelly figure and face. Oh, look at the hair. She's trying to do the Kendall Jenner hair, but you wouldn't know that.
True.
So. Rem. That's a Rem. Rem is Ariana Grande songs.
Wow, that hair.
Extensions or real?
No, I think it's real.
Whose hair did you cut that from?
They're sharing makeup. They're like, oh, let me try your foundation on.
And then they just put face to face.
I need more highlighter.
Oh, yeah. Oh shit, girl! I forgot to put blush on. That's your contour.
Sorry.
That's your contour. Yeah. Okay.
Eyeshadow.
Fabio is so funny. You guys are right. Fabio
That's
is so
why
funny.
this channel is almost 100k.
Wow! Oh my gosh!
She looks like a bride on top of a cake.
What?
Look!
How come we didn't see this? Oh, this is so
It's
nice.
like they put her together. So there's like the bottom, then you stick on top this other ruffle, then you stick on top the other one, and that's it. She's ready.
But anyway, this is so nice. Girl, you can't really tilt
You
the
can.
photo because you make us the viewers.
Does she know that Instagram allows you to flip it? Oh, she's too young. That's why.
Oh,
wow.
that's a nice dress though. You know this dress is very multi-purpose because you wear this. It's like imagine if this is a wedding day. So you wear this to walk down the aisle, and in the evening if you're in a party, you cut down the two bottoms, and now you have a mini skirt.
Yeah.
So you have a cocktail party dress.
Actually, she's wearing 3 different skirts.
Yeah. So when you cut down the top flare, then you have bathing suit.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
It's bathing suit.
Oh, bathing suit.
Bathing.
Bath.
Open audition to find a new partner here for this channel. Someone that speaks English a bit better.
She reminds me of my friend here in Canada.
Really?
She's also Filipino.
She looks like my Entrada, Ariana Grande, Victoria's Secret model. She looks like Drake, and she looks like your friend.
I didn't say Drake. Drake was the other guy. Damn, jawline. Okay, jawline. All right, final thoughts, Fabio.
Well, she's very fresh. She already has 2.5 million
2.4 followers.
Probably by the time we speak, it's 2.5.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's very cute. I mean, she has a very cute Instagram. I
very
find
adorable.
it very normal. Like very average compared to other superstars that are like posting so many things.
Well, I
high
find
quality pictures. She is like selfie here, selfie there, and there we go.
I find it abnormal because she's sponsored by Samsung and we can't find Samsung anywhere in the photo.
Just in one picture.
Come on,
at
girl.
least pretend to take a call or no.
But I'm kidding, Ylona or Ylona. So
It was a beautiful.
Thank you so much for watching. It was nice. Instagram. She's a great Instagrammer. A lot of
Yeah,
good photos.
she is.
Yeah.
Yeah, she catches your attention very nicely.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.